Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the Key Series Aukey T10 wireless headphones. And we'll go on the back here. It's a very nice box. And then this just slides right off. Like that. Here we go. And here are the headphones. This case is unique. I'll get to the headphones in just a moment. It turns. No matter really what happens, because this turns to close and open. The case, you your USB Type-C cable here in the box, or wirelessly. This will sit on a wireless charger, like the one that we just showed from Aukey, the wireless Unity hub. 24 hours of power. So it's about 17 hours with the case and the remaining hours right here. So these are a little bit different than your normal wireless headphones, and thank goodness they are different. They're a little bit curved so they fit in the ear nicely. It comes with different ear gels, but then it also has this wingtip that fits up in the ear. And you can tap on this for skipping tracks, changing volume, answering calls, and using your voice assistant as well. So this is the Key Series headphones with wireless charging case with a spinning top. Very cool from Aukey. Check out my review very shortly, and I'll put the link in the description. Thank you.